Imagine stepping into a town where time seems to stand still, and every street has a story to tell. Did you know that in the small town of Lunenburg, Nova Scotia, there's a legend about a ghostly sea captain who still roams the streets searching for his lost ship? Or that Banff, Alberta is home to a hotel that some believe is haunted by spirits of the past? Join us as we explore the top 10 small cities in Canada for 2024, uncovering the real and shocking stories that make each one unique. Number 1. Charlottetown, Prince Edward Island. Charlottetown, the capital of Prince Edward Island, is a charming small city with a rich history and vibrant culture. It's known as the birthplace of Confederation because the Charlottetown Conference was held here in 1864, leading to the formation of Canada. The city is filled with beautifully preserved Victorian architecture, and its waterfront is a picturesque spot for leisurely walks and boat tours. Charlottetown hosts the annual Charlottetown Festival, featuring musicals and plays, including the famous Anne of Green Gables production, drawing visitors from all over. Beyond its historical significance, Charlottetown offers a quaint yet lively atmosphere. Victoria Row, a vibrant street filled with restaurants and shops, becomes a pedestrian-only zone in summer, perfect for leisurely strolls. For a touch of local history, the Beaconsfield Historic House provides a glimpse into the island's past with its beautifully preserved 19th century mansion. Additionally, Confederation Landing Park, a lesser-known gem, offers peaceful spots with stunning harbor views, ideal for a quiet picnic or a relaxing afternoon by the water. Number 2. Nelson, British Columbia. Nestled in the Selkirk Mountains along the shores of Kootenay Lake, Nelson is often referred to as the Queen City. This small city is renowned for its vibrant art scene and well-preserved heritage buildings. Nelson's downtown area is a treasure trove of charming boutiques, art galleries, and cozy cafes, making it a haven for artists and creatives. The city is also known for its outdoor activities, offering excellent opportunities for hiking, skiing, and exploring the scenic surroundings. Nelson's cultural vibe is enhanced by events like the annual Nelson International Mural Festival, which brings colorful street art to its historic buildings. Locals and visitors alike enjoy the natural beauty of the area, with spots like Pulpit Rock offering panoramic views of the city, and Kootenay Lake. The local community is welcoming and vibrant, often gathering at the farmers market to enjoy fresh produce and artisanal goods. Nelson's unique blend of nature, culture, and community spirit makes it a truly captivating small city to explore. Number 3. Lunenburg, Nova Scotia. Lunenburg, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is one of the best preserved colonial settlements in North America. This picturesque town on Nova Scotia's South Shore is famous for its colorful waterfront and rich maritime heritage. The Lunenburg Academy, a stunning example of Second Empire architecture, stands as a testament to the town's historical significance. Walking through the town feels like stepping back in time, with its narrow streets lined with brightly painted houses and unique shops. The town is also home to the Blue Nose II, a replica of the famous fishing schooner that grazes the Canadian Dive. Visitors can take a tour of this iconic vessel and learn about the town's seafaring history. Lunenburg's culinary scene is another highlight, with seafood restaurants serving up fresh catches from the Atlantic. The Fisheries Museum of the Atlantic offers interactive exhibits that provide deeper insight into the region's maritime past. Lunenburg's combination of history, beauty, and charm makes it a must-visit destination. Number 4. Stratford, Ontario. Stratford, located on the Avon River in southwestern Ontario, is best known for the Stratford Festival, North America's largest classical repertory theater festival. The festival draws theater enthusiasts from around the world to see productions of Shakespearean plays and modern classics. The city's dedication to the arts is evident in its well-preserved Victorian architecture and its vibrant cultural scene. Beyond its theatrical fame, Stratford offers a serene, picturesque setting with beautifully landscaped gardens and scenic river views. The city's park system, including the famous Shakespearean Gardens, provides a perfect backdrop for leisurely walks and picnics. Stratford is also a foodie haven, with farm-to-table restaurants and artisanal shops offering local delicacies. The city's strong sense of community and artistic flair create an inviting atmosphere for both residents and visitors. Number 5. Banff, Alberta. Banff, nestled in the heart of the Canadian Rockies, is a small town renowned for its stunning natural beauty and outdoor adventure opportunities. Located within Banff National Park, this town offers breathtaking mountain views, pristine lakes, and abundant wildlife. Outdoor enthusiasts flock to Banff for activities like hiking, skiing, and canoeing, making it a year-round destination for nature lovers. The town itself is charming, with its quaint streets lined with boutique shops, cafes, and restaurants. Banff Avenue, the main thoroughfare, offers a mix of local crafts, outdoor gear, and gourmet dining options. Visitors can relax in the Banff Upper Hot Springs, taking in the stunning mountain scenery while soaking in the warm waters. The Banff Center for Arts and Creativity adds a cultural touch, hosting various performances and exhibitions throughout the year. Banff's blend of natural splendor and vibrant community life makes it a truly enchanting place to visit. Number 6. St. Andrews, New Brunswick. St. Andrews, also known as St. Andrews by the Sea, is a historic town on the coast of New Brunswick. Known for its well-preserved architecture and picturesque seaside setting, St. Andrews offers a perfect blend of history and natural beauty. The town's charming streets are lined with shops, galleries, and restaurants, many of which are housed in historic buildings dating back to the 18th and 19th centuries. One of the town's highlights is Kingsbrae Garden, a stunning 27-acre horticultural masterpiece featuring themed gardens, sculptures, and a charming cafe. Whale-watching tours are a popular activity, offering visitors a chance to see the majestic marine life of the Bay of Fundy up close. The Algonquin Resort, a historic hotel, adds a touch of luxury to this quaint town, offering world-class accommodations and dining. St. Andrews' unique blend of coastal charm and rich history makes it a delightful destination for travelers. Number 7. Mahone Bay, Nova Scotia. Mahone Bay, located on Nova Scotia's picturesque South Shore, is a small town famous for its scenic beauty and charming maritime atmosphere. The town is best known for its iconic trio of waterfront churches, which have become a symbol of Mahone Bay's picturesque charm. The waterfront area is dotted with colorful houses, boutique shops, and cafes, creating a welcoming and relaxed vibe. Mahone Bay is also known for its vibrant arts community, with numerous galleries and artisan shops showcasing local talent. The town hosts several festivals throughout the year, including the popular Mahone Bay Scarecrow Festival, which draws visitors from near and far. Outdoor enthusiasts can enjoy kayaking, sailing, and exploring the nearby islands. Mahone Bay's combination of natural beauty, artistic flair, and friendly community makes it a perfect small-town destination. Number 8. Canmore, Alberta. Canmore, located just outside Banff National Park, is a small town that offers a gateway to the stunning landscapes of the Canadian Rockies. Known for its outdoor recreation opportunities, Canmore is a haven for hikers, climbers, and winter sports enthusiasts. The town itself is charming, with a mix of modern amenities and rustic mountain vibes. Downtown Canmore is bustling with activity, offering a variety of shops, restaurants, and cultural attractions. The Canmore Nordic Center, a legacy of the 1988 Winter Olympics, provides world-class facilities for cross-country skiing and mountain biking. The town's vibrant arts scene is showcased in events like the Canmore Folk Music Festival and the Banff Mountain Film Festival. Canmore's spectacular natural surroundings and dynamic community make it an ideal destination for outdoor adventurers and culture seekers alike. Number 9. Shediac, New Brunswick. Shediac, known as the lobster capital of the world, is a small town on New Brunswick's eastern coast, famous for its delicious seafood and beautiful beaches. The town's claim to fame is the giant lobster sculpture, a popular photo spot and a testament to Shediac's rich maritime heritage. The annual Shediac Lobster Festival celebrates this heritage with parades, concerts, and, of course, plenty of lobster. Beyond its seafood fame, Shediac offers beautiful sandy beaches, making it a favorite summer destination for locals and tourists. Parley Beach Provincial Park, with its warm waters and soft sands, is perfect for swimming and sunbathing. The town's vibrant community spirit is evident in its lively downtown area, where visitors can explore shops, restaurants, and cultural events. Shediac's blend of seaside charm, delicious cuisine, and welcoming atmosphere makes it a delightful place to visit. Number 10. Summerside, Prince Edward Island. Summerside, the second largest city on Prince Edward Island, is a charming small town known for its rich history and scenic waterfront. The town's historic district features beautifully preserved buildings and museums that tell the story of Summerside's past. The Harborfront Theater offers a variety of performances, from plays to concerts, adding a cultural touch to the town's vibrant community life. Summerside is also home to Spinnaker's Landing, a waterfront marketplace with shops, restaurants, and entertainment options. The town's boardwalk provides stunning views of the harbor and is perfect for leisurely walks or bike rides. Summerside hosts several festivals throughout the year, including the Summerside Lobster Carnival, celebrating the island's seafood heritage. With its friendly community, rich history, and beautiful scenery, Summerside is a charming destination for visitors to Prince Edward Island. That's it. Thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe, and comment below your favorite city. See you next time for more incredible adventures.